In this video, we'll take a look at how you can charge your clients using vaulted payments or by sending them payment links. Both features are available to SBPay Pro users and can be located in Accept Payment settings. Please refer to a detailed tutorial on accepting payments if you haven't set this feature up yet. Enabling the switch to allow vaulted payments and saving changes will add a checkbox to the booking form, enabling your clients to save their payment method during checkout. Please note that not all payment processors support this feature, and some may require additional steps. You can find the list of supported processors in the description below, or reach out to your payment processor to check if they support this functionality. After a client saves their payment method, they will be able to choose if they want to use it during future purchases, and you will also be able to charge them when accepting a payment in reports, payment transactions, or when checking out in the point of sale interface. We can navigate to the Notifications tab in Accept Payment settings to enable the payment link notifications. If you would like to use SMS notifications, you can purchase SMS credits in Plans and Prices, Additional Items, or set up the SMS Gateway feature. Please make sure the relevant notifications include the payment link variable, as it will be replaced with the payment link that your clients can use. Once you save changes, payment link notifications will be sent out each time the pay later method is used during checkout, both for client purchases and ones made in the backend. If your client wants to pay on-site, you can navigate to Reports, Payment Transactions, choose Receive Payment from the kebab menu on the right, and specify the payment method. As mentioned, you can also charge clients here if they already have a vaulted card, send out a payment link, or have them scan the QR code to complete the purchase. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.